Hey, that's right. Good morning from the 2019 GoPro Mountain Games. Thank you so much to Casio ProTrek Smart, Bustang, and Vail Summit Orthopedics and Neurosurgery for bringing our live coverage to you. Also, thank you to my girl Sarah Frank, who's here starting things off with us this morning. And Sarah, you are part of the Vail Valley Foundation, and if people aren't aware, you are the hosts of this entire event.
We are fortunate to have many great partners, GoPro being one of them, our title partner. But yeah, the Vail Valley Foundation, local nonprofit, this is our event that we put on.
And you've been doing it for the past 10 years and obviously doing a great job because you've had so much success with not only great athletes, great events, but also just for people that want to spectate. This event is so spectator friendly.
It is. You know, what's fun about it is it's such a diverse event that celebrates all aspects of mountain lifestyle, right? And so it's fun because there really is something for everyone. There's kayaking, climbing, dogs, running, biking. It's hard to not find something that you'd enjoy.
That is so true. Now, I was looking at the lineup for today, and I mean, it starts pretty much, right around 8 o'clock this morning and goes until about 9, 10 o'clock this evening with the live music. But can you just highlight some of the things that are going to be happening today that people should be looking forward to?
Yeah, absolutely. We kick off, we have yoga over in the Zen Zone over by Ford Park there. And then we also have our dock dogs that kick off the morning. But I think what really is an event that people will enjoy this morning that I don't know a lot of people know happens here is the World Cup climbing kicks off today as well.
Right.
So really rare that in our valley we have World Cup skiing in the winter. We have this World Cup bouldering event. Climbing is going to the Olympics this year. So these athletes are really raring to go and excited to get on that wall. So the women start at 9 o'clock this morning.
Okay, this is really exciting. And this is something too where, I mean, it's not very common that you have this level of climbing on U.S. soil. So the fact that it's here is super, super exciting. But then also they keep the roots a secret. Like this is something where, like, we've been seeing the wall going up over the past couple weeks, but no. Like there are surprises for everybody this morning.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really cool to watch them do it. They come and they set what they call problems, essentially, and they set these courses, and then they take them all down so the climbers don't get to see them ahead of time. Same for our climbers that get to participate on Sunday. So we have our Citizens Climbing Comp, takes place Sunday. If you're a climber, there's a few spots left, so get on it now. But they've already set those and taken them down, so they know it'll go up on Sunday.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So you really, it really is something like you're part of the excitement and the anticipation that all kind of culminates and things kick off this morning. Now, let's say people are interested in getting some energy out. Maybe they want to get some energy out with the family. What would you recommend for today?
Today, I think first and foremost, come in early, take in some of the sights, go see Dogtown, what's going on, get the High Line that we've got above us here, right. Come out. We're doing the speed walk today. They're doing the best tricks today, I believe, which will be really cool to see. And then maybe come join our 5K if you're, there's different levels people are participating. We've got our Ultimate Mountain Challenge athletes going, and then people that are more like me, which are happy hour athletes. Mm-hmm. You can still join the 5K today. It's the Wild Tonic 5K après run. And come and then end with a happy hour over in Mountain Plaza. So.
Girl, did you know you were talking to me this morning? This is amazing.
That's my kind of running event, so I like to make sure others know about it as well. And then also, throughout the weekend, we've got our mud run tomorrow.
Yeah. That
That is a family favorite every time. Really friendly course, lots of different little, terrain and areas the kids get to go through, families get to run through, and then it ends with kind of a water slide that gets you washed off before you go back through the mud again. So really fun event.
And are there still spots available there?
Absolutely, yeah. We've got running events all weekend long, biking events that still have spots for registration, so people should come out and enjoy.
Oh, you should definitely come out and enjoy it. It's going to be so much fun. Now, if you want to get the full schedule, if people want to sign up, where do you send them for more information?
MountainGames.com is the best place to go for all information. We've got full schedules there. We'll update on results for people so they can see how everyone's performing. You can check out our live music schedule there that happens at the amphitheater at night for free, but also on our Checkpoint Charlie stage and in Dogtown and Lion's Head. So all kinds of great things for people to check out.
There really is something for everybody. Sarah, thank you so much for kicking off our show this morning.
Thank you for having me. Yeah, happy Mountain Games Day too.
Right, and I'll see you over happy hour, little run and happy hour. But right now we're going to take a break, and up next we'll have a first look at that local weather forecast.